Hey beauties and gents, what is poppin'? Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be taking down these dusty, crusty old box braids, and then I'm going to show you guys the product I use to loosen any buildup before washing and conditioning my hair back to life. Don't forget to share, like, and definitely leave a comment in this video. Let me know what issues you have with braid takedown.
I can't stop, it's all up to you. I have already fallen down for you, down for you. Told you that I'm down for you, down for you. Anything you wanna do, say the word, I'm down for you, yeah. Down for you, down for you. Told you that I'm down for you, down for you. Anything you wanna do, say the word, I'm down for you, down for you.
Alright y'all, so we are all done taking out the braids, and here comes the fun part. So you usually have some type of buildup or product buildup on your hair after you take out braids. And if you don't know what that is, it's gonna look like this. Lots of lint, dirt, product built up to the point where you can't really separate the hair, or when you do, you can feel it snagging. So what I would recommend is Black Beauty's Grow Strong Herbal Hair Oil, which works so quick, and it definitely has all the benefits in strengthening your hair as well. So don't skip this step, especially when detangling. So you want to put a little on, let it soak in, and then rub it in right at that part where the buildup is. And then you want to slowly work your way from the base down. And as you can see, I'm having no issues going through my hair. And then at the end, you will see that is the shedding hair. Typically, when I used to do this, I used to rip my hair out because I used to try and go in with a comb it out, conditioner, like nothing would work. But this right here, I've found made it so much easier. Even when I wash my hair, you guys, I didn't have to do so much as far as detangling. And I keep my braids in past the 8-week time. Like, I'm talking months. But yeah, guys, so definitely give this hair oil a try, especially for your braid takedowns for box braids or wigs.